I was sent these outdoor decorative lights for your home, and I'm so excited to get them up. We're going to use them for all the holidays, starting with Halloween and then moving right on into Thanksgiving and Christmas. Comes with some extras. My husband's going to be the one to put it up around the house. You can see I have them lit up right now. Comes with a remote, and I just downloaded the app as well, so you can see all the fun things. Fireworks at sea. This is called Hut in the Snow. Glacier Express. I'm just using these preset ones right now. This is so cool. Holiday. I love it. There's literally every single one, from Christmas to Valentine's to Halloween to Thanksgiving Day. This is absolutely so fun, so easy. Those are just the presets. You can also do your own combinations. You can sync it to music. Wow, look at all the functionality here. I love it. So you can pick what kind of music you want to sync it to and get it set up. Well, it's fun to see it in the office and glowing on me, but it's going to be way cooler on our house. So let's go get it all set up.
All right, we get the lights set up here. We're just doing the preliminary here. I like to get them set to just make sure how long they are and make sure they're gonna look good in position on the house. The next stage, you have to prepare the surface that you're gonna affix them to. They all come with a adhesive pad already on it, and then the kit also comes with extra adhesive pads in case these ever wear out or in case you move the light somewhere else. So it's really nice to be able to have those extras. What I'm using here is I'm just using some glass cleaner, cleaning the inside of the wood here, just a soft cloth, just to prep the surface so that the adhesive actually will stick. All right, we have them all laid out here. Now I start at one end and just work my way across. Stick them off, and then I like to just stick them inside the eave. That way it's reflecting on the house itself, not just reflecting down. It'll give it a much better look and appearance. Next stage, we're gonna put all of these on, and then for you to be able to see it, the sun's gonna have to go down. So we're gonna do a little time and get these ready, and then you're gonna be wowed by it.
They're up. It's just starting to get dark, so the full effect isn't quite taking place yet, but I have my app ready to change them out a little bit. Look how cool these are. This is so fun. I'm going to speed up the video so we can see some of the different presets that are available. And of course, you can customize it as well. And we were only playing with like a third of what this can do. These lights are so much fun. You're going to love them.